Imagine this. You wake up, you open your eyes, and the first words that come to your mind are in English. You are thinking in English. Great done. You aren't searching for a dictionary. You are just living your life. That is what we are doing today. This is your English shadowing practice session, and by the end of these 10 minutes, you will talk and think in English about your morning with fluency. Before continuing, think about your morning and answer this question. What do you do first in the morning? Write a simple sentence. For example, I wake up and check my phone, or I get up and drink water. Take your time. Don't worry about mistakes. For me, the first thing I do in the morning is drink a glass of water. It helps me wake up and feel fresh. Now it's your turn. Use a simple sentence or word. Don't worry about mistakes. Just write. I love reading your comments. Let's now begin with the 6th day of our English shadowing challenge for beginners.
Learn, Speak, English, the podcast.
Hi there. I'm Thomas, and you are listening to the Learn, Speak, English podcast. If you are a beginner, sometimes you know the words in your head, but it is hard to say them. We will make it easier with some shadowing practice. Listen and speak with me. Where are you listening from? Let us know in the comments. Are you at home? Are you in the living room, the bathroom, or the kitchen? Or maybe you are in the gym, at work, on the bus, or on the subway. Wherever you are, let's get our mouths moving and improve our English fluency. We will start with the basics. I will say a short sentence twice, and then I will pause. You repeat it exactly like I said it. Ready? Let's go. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I stay in bed for 5 minutes. I stay in bed for 5 minutes. I check my phone. I check my phone. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. The water is warm. I make a cup of coffee. I make a cup of coffee. The coffee smells amazing. The coffee smells amazing. I feel more awake now. I feel more awake now. Well done. You're warming up those vocal muscles. Let's take a quick break. Tell me in the comments, what time do you usually wake up? I usually wake up at 6:30 because I like to do some exercise before I leave my home to go to work. Write it in the comments right now. I want to see who the early birds are. I'd love to hear from you. Now let's make those sentences grow. We are going to add connectors like because, then, and after. This helps you speak English naturally instead of sounding like a robot. Listen and repeat out loud. I wake up at 7, but I stay in bed because it is warm. I wake up at 7, but I stay in bed because it is warm. After I get up, I go straight to the kitchen. After I get up, I go straight to the kitchen. I drink water first and then I make my coffee. I drink water first and then I make my coffee. I like to listen to music while I get ready. I like to listen to music while I get ready. I brush my teeth before I leave the house. I brush my teeth before I leave the house. I feel energized because I had a good breakfast. I feel energized because I had a good breakfast. Sometimes I exercise, but usually I just stretch. Sometimes I exercise, but usually I just stretch. It is a simple routine, but it makes me happy. It is a simple routine, but it makes me happy. Well done. Notice how your voice goes up and down? That's the music of English. Keep going. Now let's put it all together into a story. This is a real daily English practice moment. First run, slow and steady. Every morning, my alarm rings at 6:30. I don't like the sound, so I turn it off quickly. I get up and wash my face with cold water. It wakes me up. After that, I do some exercise. Then I make breakfast. I usually eat toast and an egg. While I eat, I think about my day. I leave for work at 8 o'clock. I feel ready for anything. Here is a question for you. Do you prefer coffee or tea in the morning? Tell me in the comments. I'm a coffee person 100%. Now let's try it at a normal conversational speed. Don't worry about being perfect. Just try to match my speed and energy. Every morning, my alarm rings at 6:30. I don't like the sound, so I turn it off quickly. I get up and wash my face with cold water. It wakes me up. After that, I do some exercise. Then I make breakfast. I usually eat toast and an egg. While I eat, I think about my day. I leave for work at 8 o'clock. I feel ready for anything. Well done. To improve even faster, remember to repeat the story in slow motion first, and then at fast speed when you're ready. Pause the video and take all the time you need. Sometimes the hardest part of learning English for beginners isn't the grammar. It's the fear. Let's build some confidence. Repeat these affirmations with power. Say them like you mean them. I am a confident English speaker. My pronunciation is getting better every day. I am proud of my progress. I enjoy speaking English. Every mistake is a lesson. I am doing a great job. Well done, listener. Before we go, answer this. Do you feel more confident now than you did 10 minutes ago? Just type yes or no in the comments. Be honest. You did it. 10 full minutes of active English shadowing practice. You used your voice. You practiced to improve your English faster. Fluency is a habit, not a miracle. If you do this every day, your tongue will get used to the sounds, and your brain will stop translating. You are becoming a natural speaker, one morning routine at a time. I'm Thomas, and this has been the Learn Speak English podcast. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next session. Keep speaking, keep growing.